Should I get a lawyer for my first DUI? Before I get started, you should check out a series of videos I created on how to get out of a first DUI offense. These short videos, they pack a lot of great info that I'm sure you will find very helpful. I've included links in the description below. Watch them now. So let's get started. There are two main reasons why people who are charged with a DUI for the first time don't get a lawyer. The first reason is when people believe they are guilty, coupled with knowing a long and stressful legal road is ahead of them. And in this pressure cooker situation, they just want to plead guilty so they can get out of this bad situation as soon as possible. The problem with that logic is that once a guilty plea is entered to a criminal charge, you can't reverse it. You're going to have a criminal record, which means you may face significant challenges with future employment, with travel, and generally with moving forward with your life. With what most people who are charged with a DUI for the first time don't know is that even if you believe you are guilty, from a legal perspective, the evidence may not be as strong as you believe it is. In any impaired driving, refusal of breathalyzer, or DUI case, the onus is on the government to prove that you are guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. That is a very high standard, and impaired driving charges can be complex and difficult to prove. When a skilled DUI lawyer gets involved, they can usually find something in the case, whether it's with the evidence or with their experience working with the court and the Crown lawyers handling your case, that may result in a better outcome than you would get by just pleading guilty. That better outcome can range anything from a lesser penalty to walking away without a criminal charge, and in some cases, getting your charges withdrawn. The second reason why people don't get a lawyer is the cost. They believe a DUI lawyer is really expensive and out of reach. However, that is not true. The reality is the market for DUI lawyers is competitive. DUI lawyers want your business, and most offer competitive and affordable prices. Most DUI lawyers offer fixed fees. In other words, they give you a one-time price to fight your case from start to finish, so there are no misunderstandings as to the cost of fighting your impaired driving charge. And finally, many DUI lawyers offer payment plans that match with your cash flow. Bottom line, if you're facing a first-time DUI offense, reach out and speak to a few experienced DUI lawyers before you enter a guilty plea. If you've been charged with a DUI, impaired driving, or refusal of a breathalyzer test, your legal strategy can make the difference between winning and losing your case. Reach out to me. Let's have a free and confidential discussion about your options.